3D effects can be used to produce simple three-dimensional illustrations. These aren't actually three-dimensional drawings or designs that can be three-dimensionally printed. They're sort of a 2.5D. So they appear three-dimensional, but you can't actually rotate around the design. What you're going to be doing is, once again, having an original design, and here we're going to be rotating it and extruding it, and then the bottom design we're going to be revolving them. So my simple little star, we're then going to duplicate that. So Alt, click and drag an instant to rotate, and then simply go up to Effects, 3D, Rotate, and you can change around the view of the cube. Oops, always show preview first and then see what's going to occur, and you can rotate this icon to see how it's going to appear, and you can change these accordingly. That's about as simple as the rotate tool is. I don't find it's that great, just really changing the angles. The better ones are the extrude and bevel and the revolve. So select the design, effects, extrude and bevel, and once again you're most likely going to see this icon, this sort of tab. Once again preview it, and then we can once again rotate this and it will update the view of the design. You can change the extrude depth, so make that deeper or smaller. You can change the bevel, so accordingly, so it's rounded, and you can change the more options to show where the light's coming in, on which direction, the intensity, so on and so forth. And then select OK. With the other design, the original, we're going to revolve it to the left edge and the right edge. So once again, I've copied it. This needs to be a section cut, so a cut view, so half of the design. Select it, Effects, 3D, Revolve, and once again preview. And you can see this is going to be on the left edge. We'll just say OK there. The better one, which will make greater sense, the right edge, revolve, change that to right edge, preview it. We can see a nice Coke bottle. Once again, you can change the angle that it's on. You can change and add multiple lights if you wish, and trash them, change these. What you can also do is apply a design to it. So if we go Map Art, I have saved it in there. You'll initially have to save a design, which I'll show you shortly, and where we want to apply that design. So at the moment it's going to apply down the base here. If we change these to the areas, and that's going to be according to where anchor points are displayed. So there's an anchor point that's displayed here and here to show where the label is, and we're going to apply, I think, this label. Scale to fit, no, the other one was better. Scale to fit that, and that just needs to be the right size. So if it's small, you're only going to see that amount of area. You need to make that fill that whole space. And you can even add a shade to that. Select OK, select OK, and that's our bottle there. Sorry, as I said, you need to map that art. So what I've done here is got this design, and then go on to symbols and added a new symbol, which has then created this, and that's all I've mapped there. Thanks.